Okay, so now we have set up the two tables. Alright, so I have put in some data inside. So when I display the content of the owner table, I will get this, okay, PK and values. And if I display the record from the pet table, I'll get this, okay. So this is the PK, and then I have the values. And can you see the green color key here? So this one will be the FK. So Scooby is for owner 3, Bambi is for owner 1, okay. So all these are the owner IDs. So let's do a bit of data retrieval. So if I want to take values from two tables, okay, I want to take values from two tables. So what I can do is select all from pet, comma, owner. So you are going to take from these two tables. If you have three tables, you put another comma and then the table name. Okay. And then you need to put a condition. So this is where you need to link the first table and the second table. Okay, the owner table and the pet table. Where from the owner table, the owner ID, okay, the owner ID should be the same as the pet table, the owner ID. Okay, these should be the same. Alright, so when you run this, you'll get this. Okay, so Scooby belongs to owner ID 3 and he is Rajkumar. And then let's see again. Okay, Pute and Scrappy is also related to, okay, owner ID 3, which is Rajkumar. So that is how they relate. So every time you extract values, right, you must make sure that this condition is met. The FK in the pet ID, pet table should be the same as the PK from the owner table. Okay, that is a very important condition. Okay, so now let's do something like I want to know the pet which is owned by owner 1. Okay, which is Ali Hassan. Okay, so how to extract the values for this Ali Hassan? I want to know the pet owned by Ali Hassan. So very simple. I can put a condition, okay, where owner ID equals to, Ali Hassan is 1, right? So equals to 1. Okay. So let me put it in a different line so that you can see what's going on. And okay, so this is my statement. Select all from pet as well as the owner where the owner ID is 1. I want this person. Okay. And this is a normal criteria whereby you need to have this criteria. If not, these two tables cannot link. Okay. So let's run this. So can you see? Everything is for Ali. Okay. So all these names are Ali's pets. Okay. So now let's check. Let's see for each owner. Okay. Let's count how many pets they have. Alright. So for each owner, how many pets do they own? So very simple. I want to display the name. Okay. So owner name. Okay. And then I want to count. What am I going to count? I'm going to count the pet ID in the pet table. Give it a title. total pets, okay, from owner, because I still have to grab from two different tables, right? So pet, okay, this is where my condition is, where owner ID equals to pet dot owner ID, very important condition, okay, and then let's group by the owner ID, or if you want you can put owner name. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so I have four owners. Okay, so each owner will have the pets details here, the amount. Ali have 3, Mark have 3, Rajkumar have 3, Steven got 1. Okay, so this is how you actually get the count. Very important statement, this one. So even this one, I can change it to owner ID if I want. I'll still get the same result. Okay, I still get the same results. Okay. Okay, now let's do a bit of that aggregate function. So let's do sum. Alright. So just now we were just counting how many pets each person owns. So now what I can do is I can display the name, and I want to display the total weight of their pets. Okay, like for example, Ali Hassan, he has 3 pets, right? So I want to total up all the weight of his 3 pets. So overall, it's going to be the same thing. Okay, the only difference will be change this into sum, and it will be summing up the pet weight. Okay, so I'm going to change this to total weight from owner pet, because I'm still getting values from 2 different tables, where owner ID from owner equals to owner ID in pet. Okay, so let's run this, and this is the results that you get. This is the total weight for all their respective pets. Okay, what else can we do? Okay, let's count something. Let's count how many pets are from Malacca. Of course, Malacca is from the owner table. Okay, so I'm going to relate the pet together with the owner table. Alright, so let's go with state. Okay, owner state, and I want to count the pet ID. Okay, and let's leave it as total. Alright, the rest is the same. Owner, this is very important. At the same time, okay, the state should be Malacca. Okay, so let's see how many pets are from Malacca. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be count, not sum. Okay, so 6 pets are actually from Malacca. Alright, so maybe it's from 2 different owners. Alright, the combination is 6. Okay, this is only for Malacca. If let's say I want to count for all states, okay, for all states, so I need to remove this, okay, and I put group by owner state. Okay, so if I do this, I will get for each of the states, I will get how many pets. Okay, let's say I want to know how many owners have pets more than 2? Okay, how many of the owners have pets more than 2? Alright, so what I'll do is, I'm going to do owner name. Okay, owner name. I can count the pet ID, and I have to change this part. Okay, I have to change this part. Okay, let's change this. Group by owner, owner name. Okay, owner name. Now, because I'm using some aggregate functions, right? So I want to use having. Okay, having total. Okay, having total more than 2. So this total is coming from where? This total is actually this. And what is it referring to? It is actually referring to this. I can actually copy this and replace it here. But it's too long, right? So I rather take the label and put it here. Okay. So let's run this, and I have. For Ali Hassan, there's 3. Mark Tan, there's 3. Raj Kumar, there's 3. Okay. So these are all owners who have total amount of pets which is more than 2. Okay. If let's say I change this more than 1, let's see, any difference? Okay. If more than 0, okay, let's run this. Okay, there's one more. Stephen Lim has only 1 pet. Okay.